Hey guys, today we have got Hey guys, Brick Prince here with a Christmas gift from me and my birthday gift, of course. And today is Christmas Day. Merry Christmas, everyone. And I present to you a review of Kazi Power Racer Nature Speed. Set number 6504 contains 141 pieces and is recommended for just unmount car, minifig, actual size, other brands. Let's open up the package. Oh, it's on tissue. Get back various plates and elements. A stretcher manual. Oh, another bag. Anything else? Whoa, stickers. And that's that. Nothing else in the package. So there's all the pieces. I'll be doing a review on this in a separate video. Thank you for watching.